Hey everyone, George King here. Hope you guys are doing well. And the question I wanted to ask you is, what if your next property deal is a student accommodation property, like one of these properties here behind me, that gives you the ability to generate a positive cash flow of roughly about 20,000 Rand per month? Now guys, that is exactly what we're going to show you at the Sapin Mastermind in Johannesburg in June, right? I'm going to come up from Cape Town and I'm going to join Andrew Walker at the Sapin Mastermind, and I'm going to show you step by step the processes that we have implemented to turn negative cash flow properties into positive cash flow properties. Currently, all our student properties generate between 15 to 20,000 Rand cash flow per month. I'll show you the steps we're taking to automate large parts of those properties and to give you the ability to manage and scale your portfolios sustainably. So guys, if you are ready to take the next step, I want to encourage you, join us at the Sapin Mastermind in Johannesburg in June. I'm super excited to see you guys, and we'll share these secrets and tips with you to take you to the next level.